Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! I tried so hard and got so far. Welcome to the clip dump. That's all I could afford because I fucking couldn't edit it in time. Ah!
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
It's been a fun journey.
You don't have
But no, but guess what? I'm gonna meet you guys at the.
Okay, boys, if you actually
Hey.
go to the Wimpad, I swear. Oh.
Hey, Velcro. Velcro. Look.
Uh-oh. Final map. It better not be Sharks and Minnows, or I'm gonna go insane.
It's not. It's not.
Wait. Yeah, it's not.
Okay, wait, Doodle. Look in what I'm gonna send you.
Alright, welcome.
No! No! No!
Oh, I thought. Oh.
No! No! How? Explain that. Explain.
Oh.
Fuck you! Yeah! That'd be fucking terrible.
I can't control this. I have no idea how to control this.
I died. Okay. It's like I'm scared.
Dude,
Hide behind
someone
a
just
someone
tweeted driving high should be illegal. I almost
Shit!
I think it is illegal.
Wait.
Your gun out, can you?
No, undercover. Go fuck yourself. No. Oh! Kubos, it's time for a loan.
So
It's time for the Kuvos Roblox Where Rage segment. Okay, let's go.
Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh. I just clicked out of instinct. I didn't even like click anything. I just clicked and it just said rip Kuvos. Yeah. Oh fuck. Easy. Never mind. That was it. Right? That was it. I still hit it.
I touched the surface just like I touched your dick last night. I ripped you.
Tricking, which I already have on my default. High five. Where? Wait, no. Come on. Are you fucking kidding me? Yes. Ho. What do you mean? I hate this game so much. How do you? What do you mean?
You lost.
I hate this game so much. How do you fail that?
That's great.
Scan.
Exit. No, my mic's on the floor right now. My mic stands is on the floor. I can't. My mic stands on the floor. I can't do anything. I actually did it. I don't like Michael.
Michael? But Kubos, if you die, it's gonna be the funniest thing. Okay, there's you just respawned, there you go. I got my wish, let's go! Bro, oh my god, he just started.
Why did I die? Here we go. Here.
Oh, I died again! Kubos, you have to click it.
Kubos, you have to click it.
Cry. No. Actually, no, Targadoodle.
I don't know what.
What the fuck you trying to do, Kubos? What was that? No.
Oh my god, what happened?
Oh! I got some furry got me, dude. And then I killed the furry as they killed me.
Oh,
Dude.
why were you up top, bro? 5.
Oh, 7.
That does it for your Kuvos Roblox Where Rage clips. See you again when we never play Roblox Where again, because that game fucking blows up. Come on, boy, you can do this. Come on. You got this. The thing doesn't even disappear, bro. How broken is this obby? Bo! Bing bong. No, that's the wrong way, brother. Brother, where are you going? she could go on the slide again? Yeah, she is. What? Okay, yeah, you need that motivation. Now she's gonna get it first try. Check this out. Yes. Oh shit, she can walk kind of in a straight line. Not bad.
So don't mind me.
What up, boy? What up, boy?
Yo, you want to see something, Salad? Watch this.
You got me as well,
Salad,
dumbass.
actually.
Oh my.
What do you mean, kid? I'm 19.
Hi.
I'm so old. I'm 19.
I mean,
Yeah, bro.
This motherfucker.
I could.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I found like 2 more Kuvo's Roblox worth rage clips, so I'm just gonna put them in here. Bye.
I literally broke my keyboard, dude.
Same.
Just a fucking. My fucking ping's at like 2. Where's the circle? Oh! I my.
Okay, no more now. No more! No more! Wow, how did you get past?
Oh! What the fuck?
Fine, I'll get past. Oh shit! Oh no! Did a fucking shit on fucking game.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying to beat Tower of Quick Gameplay. Now, I've been practicing this quite a bit. As you can see, I've got a new mic, so it's really good. Let's see how this guys goes. Then we're gonna speedrun this. Here we go. Oh my god! Hey guys, today we're gonna be going into the infinite zip line. This is a pretty cool hobby. Eva's made it. He's a cool guy. Yeah, we're gonna play today, so that's how I do it.
You are now entering the planet circle zone. Ah!
Stop.
That's enough of this game. Yeah, I don't.
Stop it.
The shotgun that Velcro just. Farm.
Oh my god, guys, 2 screenshots saved. That's a new record.
You need more than that. I'm sorry, you're black.
We're done with planet circles. If you're wondering, I'm grinding a harder level because that level is so shit. Okay, it was that one.
Oh my god. Bye.
Fucking kidding me! Holy shit! Please, 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 please,
James,
please,
James,
please. Yes, yes,
James.
yes, 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 yes. Nice job, man. That's the wrong fucking thing.
I don't care.
Please, please, please. Yes!
Okay.
Ooh, battery. I think it's the same battery that killed my. There's nothing here. There's fuck all here. There's legit fuck all here. Why did it say? Oh my fuck! Oh! 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 What the fuck was that? Welcome to the next bot zero. There is a fuck ton of next bot clips here. Let's get started. Woo! Whoa! Oh shit! Fuck! Oh shit! You're. I can hear it. I can hear it. Get your bitch ass away from me, you stupid little cunt! Ah! I'm all over it! Oh my fucking god! What the hell? What the hell? Oh shit! Ah! Get through the door! Attack! Oh shit, it's switched windows. Ain't no one gonna get me. Oh shit, I think someone's gonna get me. Oh shit! Oh, I hear one. How did I live? How did I live? How did I live? Oh my fuck!
Where am I? No.
I just threw my mouse in the air. Oh! Oh fuck, I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! Very fast, man, fuck! Oh shit! Oh, sidestep! Get sidestep, motherfucker! Get sidestep, motherfucker! Get sidestep, motherfucker! Get sidestep! On me because I'm fucking like behind the wall right now.
And stop the music.
Okay, no more now. No more! No more!
Just tell me, why won't you adopt me?
I'm not gonna say it!
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're
No. Okay.
No, stop.
Nothing stupid will happen.
Please sit.
There you go, space right there. Like, you know I want to play too, right? Okay. No.
Assume so. Okay, stop using my brain. Stop using my brain.
Do I just drop it?
Oh!
Oh,
Here we go, here we go.
Drop it. Oh! He looks like shit! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god, guys! He did it! We did it! Oh my god, there he is! There's my favorite white boy!
He needs to keep the mask on. Kuvos. Oh. Yeah. Let me do that. Okay, so I'm playing.
Why you went?
Oh,
You're
hi, Mom.
actually.
Okay. I win.
Oh fuck.
First.
Holy music.
That is a bop.
Let's go to spin.
Para hindi siya makihati.
The boys crack. Okay, Bangkok. Hi, Mom.
Okay, open the door. We forgot the keys.
Wild Cup! Wild Cup! Wild Cup! Wild Cup!
Please! 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 No! What are you doing? No, whoa, hold up, player. No. Nope, hold. Kartra, nope. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Oh, I'm a fancy lad. What a
I'm a nerd.
This is fun. This is fun, guys. This is fun. This is why I play it. This is why I follow the OC community for the daily updates in how shit our fucking community is, and fucking everyone sucks ass. And yeah, let's go. Let's plug in my keyboard. Let's plug in my keyboard. Oh baby, you're back. Okay, nice. Wait, someone. Yes, Deckerton.
No.
Please. No. No. I didn't click fast enough. That's cool. I'm gonna. Wait, is this Kankai true or false?
What the fuck? How did I miss? I'm gonna break every. I just.
Oh, you're the.
There's a keyboard.
Where are you right now?
The core.
I have a bomb, and I'm gonna give some the bomb, and that's pretty cool. And I just wanna. Oh my god. I just wanna. What the fuck just happened? A screw just came out of my fucking keyboard. That's. Hey, Kuvos, you should know this place. Do I just actually get to print it here now? That's actually kind of reassuring. Oh, I like that. Ah! What the fuck? Guy.
Fuck you. Oh fuck.
No! Whose ladder? Was that your ladder?
That's mine. That.
Gabby's ladder!
Which one's mine?
For making that mistake. Oh, daddy!
Almost
No.
bad. That was almost.
Oh, I'm still alive. I mean, I didn't die. Ah!
Dude, I'm actually mad.
Wait, I'm alive? Wait, where the fuck am I? I'm doing good. This is how you do it. No, where are you going? Oh no, I'm stuck at the TV! No! Up! No, where are you going? It's not moving! It's not! Okay, we're good. No!
That's why it's so good. W taps, cheating.
What the fucking?
Z, like E and Z, it'll autocorrect to something like. This is the first time I've gone past round 1. You die. Oh, you both
I
died.
closed the game.
It's a fucking masterpiece!
Ah, 5 seconds.
Alright, time for the fucking fast part.
Boom, 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 boom.
Fucking dick! Can I get unleadable for this map for once? Like, I just want to get unleadable for this map so badly. Alright, that's it!
How have you been?
I've been in the mall.
Like, I just had. You were in the mall. I was.
Ah! Whoa! Oh shit! Ah! We have now reached the second clip folder. Well done on making it this far. Thanks for giving me the watch time. Loser. Well, I fucking missed.
Okay, ready?
No, I'm not fucking ready. Kill yourself.
No, I think I just got lucky because it's called Lucky Shot.
Oh my. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! For this. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking. Sometimes I couldn't put any words for. So.
Yeah, my second one, I just like did the
Half
same
of my
thing,
words,
like,
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my camera! Oh my god, my camera! What is it?
Oh my god!
I'm glitching out! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Guys, this is what dying feels like. Gonna get me random.
Oh, I love being a clipper. What the fuck was that? Like, look at white cat. Look at cat. Mouth. No, get it out of your mouth, you fool.
There we go.
I
put it in.
What the? Oh.
Big butt trauma. Alright, I'm gonna be the big butt.
I'm gonna be the
Or he didn't even try to dodge your shot. Let's go.
Also, the secret movement. The first one with the bomb.
No way.
I touched you! I touched you! I was next to you! Ah! Oh shit! You're gonna fucking die. Oh shit! Oh no! 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 Ah! Close the fucking door! Ah! No! Oh my god, I barely fucking got that guy. No! No, this is the worst!
This is so easy.
So woman, get the
Fucking god damn it! This game's such a winner! It's a winner! What the fuck is this such a winner? This is a winner of a game. No, no, fucking connected! Ah! Ow!
Alright, I'm here with Mira. Mira, been a long time friend for a while now. Just learned how to drive. No, I don't trust them that much.
Where'd he go? Whoa, you did it! You did it! Alright, for you to get super speed, go! Super speed!
We're back, ladies and gentlemen.
Who's the murderer?
Who's the murderer? Bo! It's not loading. It's just not loading. It's not loading. I got it! What?
Hey! 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 Fuck the bitch without legs! Oh no. No.
No! If they're gonna say obby skill, I'm gonna like.
Simone!
Simone.
No way! No way! They're still going! They're still going! They're still going!
I'm done. I'm done with flames. Alright. What the fuck did you do?
Oh yeah, it's like all of my keys gone.
Wait, but my opponent's Wii now and he's good. God damn it.
No! No! 59. Oh, fuck off! I'm done. On it.
You bust.
Ah! Ah! No, you bitch. Flip over.
Wow, you see that?
But no one's talking to you. Fuck off.
No one's fucking talking to you. I bet you got abused at home.
Yeah, badge the first time. Oh, whoa!
Look, buddy,
Oh shit!
even if I
Where
were
did it go? Where did it go?
Dead. Like, imagine being a hamster and you have this big of like a goddamn playpen.
Uh-oh.
Like, do you know how?
Oh shit! Ah! 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 Ah!
Okay.
Alright, let's go, North Tower!
Ah! 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 Alright. Done. Ah! No, why'd you fall?
It closed the game. It closed the game.
Holy.
What up, boys?
Jesus, no, shut up. Oh my fucking god, ow. My thing is the best.
It's knife time. I already have the knife because I'm on the golden knife.
Oh shit! Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this?
Okay, well at least we can jump easy. I fucking
The space bar didn't do anything, that's crazy. I don't even think you can skip this part, but like fuck this goddamn stupid ass level, bud. Oh shit.
got fucking unplugged. Fuck, this is why I don't play this fucking game, bro. This fucking game sucks ass. Fuck.
Oh, it's always a good time. Oh, never mind, we good. No, we're not. We're fucking terrible.
What is that?
Oh! Oh, no, 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 no! No, 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 no. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. No, fuck that. Bo, hello? Hello?
Oh, like the warehouse.
Ah! 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 Okay, so hey, welcome to the podcast. Okay,
Why
so
did it take so long to close?
Bo.
Uh-oh. No. Okay, just keep it there. You. They
Wait.
killed both of us. I had a 6.
Surprise attack!
This way, I'm just gonna like go with the flow.
Nice job.
You're never gonna. I'm not clipping that. No, I'm restarting the replay buffer.
No, I'm clipping that for you. It's fine. No. 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 I'm fucking stupid. Why did I do 1? Oh no. And yeah, I knew. Please.
Oh no!
Okay, I nearly fucked that up. I nearly. Constant dance potion.
In an army.
Okay.
Okay, I hit one. I hit one, right? I literally had to hit one.
Go get him.
He got on my head. I'm so lucky. He got on my head and stopped damaging me.
How did I die? How did I die? The dog was in the lobby. Ah!
I'm gonna fuck you.
I immediately fucked the jump. Are you kidding me? I need to stop. And I fell. Okay. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna lose my. Why did I boost? Fucking fatigued. Oh my fucking god, and I fall all the way.
I got flat-sided. I got flat-sided.
What the? No! How do I fuck it up twice? No. Yep. No. Hello? Yes! Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! Let's fucking go! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Just listen to it in the background. Listen to it in the background.
Listen to it in the back. Who's pigging me in Fizzy?
What the fuck? How did you?
Aye! Fuck off! No! An entire cube of TNT we haven't even done yet. Oh shit! Oh shit! No! 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 Please stop! No more! No more! No!
The server crashed!
You fucking crashed the server! You didn't even crash me! You crashed the fucking server! What the fuck was that? And that's it. That's pretty much all the clips from both of my clip folders. I should probably start thanking people for making all of this possible. I'll start by thanking my entire friend group, especially Kuvos, for making pretty much half of the clips funny in the first place. I'll also thank Placeholder for like just pretty much existing. Like, it's allowed me to make so many new friends I never thought I'd even have the chance to make. Thanks to Shotcut for being the worst fucking editor I've ever used. It crashes after like a single undo, it's so annoying. And of course, thanks to you for watching this till the end. Thanks for giving me the watch time. It's been like 6 months in the making because of like constant demotivation while editing. However, I'm so glad I finally got this done. Hope the algorithm pushes this like it did for the fling videos. Who am I kidding? It fucking won't do that. By the way, Zay, never forgot about you. Hope it was worth the 6-month wait, man. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So, yeah, see ya.
Man, it doesn't matter if she's 15, my nigga. I like young girls. I like them 15, 14, 16. I like them real young, my nigga. I don't like them. I don't like women in their 20s. All the girls in their 20s, I ain't cool with them, girl. I like fucking